Hello, my name is Matthew Munn from the Sydney Clock Company. I just wanted to show you today one of our beautiful HB & Sons Carriage clocks, how it comes well packed in a box, how you'll receive it if you do order one. The box comes in a nice double box, which is very heavy cardboard. Again, when you open it up, there's lots of foam packing inside. You have a beautiful polished brass key in tissue paper, instructions and so forth, a polishing cloth, and then the clock itself. Move that over to the side. The clock itself is wrapped in tissue, and when you open these you get a surprise because it looks absolutely fantastic. And the most beautifully finished clocks that I've seen, and certainly that I've ever sold. You can see the quality of the clock, the glass panels have all got beveled edges on them. You can see in the top of the clock here the balance that swings backwards and forwards as the clock ticks. I'll get the key. These clocks are 8-day mechanical clocks with a dual lever platform, so winding the clock is a matter of once a week, popping the larger end of the key and giving it the appropriate amount of turns: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's about 11 and a half full turns to wind after it's run down. To start the clock, if you look in the back, there's a small piece of paper just at the top there. If you pull that out, it will release the little balance wheel and it will automatically start to tick. Sometimes if the clock's run down all the way, it may be necessary to pick them up by the top of the handle and give the clock a small turn just to get that little balance moving. You can see that balance going backwards and forwards, and that nice fast action means that it's going to be keep very good time over the week. It's also a little regulator, which I'll show you in the back here. You can see on this side the S and the F. There's a very small steel pin coming down in between them. If you move that pin towards the S, it will make the clock slower, towards the F make it faster, and just as a rule, a millimetre might make it 10 seconds a day, either faster or slower, so you don't have to move that very far. The other adjustment that you may need is to pop the key in the centre hole, and then as you turn that around, you'll see the hands will move. With these clocks, as they're 8-day mechanical clocks with no striking, you can go forward or backwards and it won't damage the clock in any way. So there you have it. That's the HB & Sons beautiful solid brass carriage clock. These are also available in nickel silver. And yeah, they're certainly a beautiful item. So I hope you decide to order one, and if you do, I'm sure you'll be very happy with it. Thank you.